In this video, we are going to be showing you the best and easiest tutorial for making edible cookie dough bites.
Let's get to it.
What's up everybody, I'm Ayush.
And I'm Marv.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that gives you the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, smoothies, and more.
Plus, we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Our first step to making our edible cookie dough bites is to get a large bowl attached to a stand mixer. Then we're going to add in a half cup or 1 stick of unsalted melted butter. Then you're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar and give that a mix. Now you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of milk and you're going to mix it until it's light and fluffy. You can do this for 5 minutes and then you can go ahead and scrape down your bowl.
Alright, now you can go ahead and put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, give that a mix, and add in a half teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's scrape that bowl again and add in a cup of all-purpose flour. Now you're going to go ahead and mix it.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching.
Make sure to click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.
Click here for our last video,
Click here for our 3 Easy DIY Treats series.
and click down there to subscribe.
See you next time.